Good morning to all of you. I am Shantanu Bhattacharya. I am an associate professor at the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, Department of Mechanical Engineering, and I will be teaching you this course on manufacturing systems technology, which is a very key component of today's modern manufacturing. Manufacturing basically has necessitated, I would say, a lot of mass customization, and it is driven by more or less the expectations of the customers, which varies in real time. So, there is always a tendency for all the organizations to have a vertical as well as horizontal chain of communication among each and every division within the organization, so that any such change in the customer requirement or demand is almost immediately translated in terms of a design change or a product specification change, which is eventually made, realized and supplied to the customers. So, this whole concept nowadays has been so very integrated and customer centric that most of the organizations are controlling the different wings associated with the design process, with the finances, with the manufacturing process, with the different aspects of any such organization, on almost computer control. And so, what I am going to teach in this particular course is really related to such a flexible organization, and the course will cover various aspects like computer aided design, where I would try to enable you with knowledge about what are the back end computations which are there really, which promotes for a designer to develop or sequence anything of his wish on a CAD package. We would also talk about how to do process planning with a computer assistance. So, there would be a lot of theory about computer assisted process planning, where we will talk about different algorithms for understanding the different aspects related to determination of the process sequence, for example, in a manufacturing operation, so on and so forth. I will also be giving you some insights into material handling systems during this particular course. We will particularly talk about concepts like automated guided vehicles, AGVs, how their path planning can be done, so that you have a smooth flow of material on an assembly line or a weld line, so on and so forth, particularly as regards manufacturing systems of high production volume or high throughput. We will also be looking at the aspects of machining, where we will talk about computer numeric control, CNC, and how a CNC machine can be programmed or enabled. And throughout this course, again, the key issue would be that how to maintain a certain quality level. So, there would be a robustness by design approach which would be talked when we discuss about quality aspect of this particular course, and we will also delve into what are the different norms of or current practices of the organizations, where using different tools of quality control, a good management of the overall quality level can be ascertained as far as the product line goes. We will also talk about how to plan the requirements for materials at different stages within the manufacturing process, and then finally, I will give you an aspect of lean manufacturing, where we talk about a pull based system of manufacturing, and it would necessitate some of the modern day concepts of Japanese manufacturing techniques or Toyota production system, involving things like Kanban, Nagare card, these different concepts of manufacturing. So, overall the view that we would assume in this particular course is to make an organization so flexible in terms of the intercommunication between the various different tasks or departments within the organization, so that whatever is the expectation of the customer can be almost immediately met without doing much of process changes. And a overall philosophical introduction would be given at the very beginning of the course, which will also enable you more to understand about the different aspects of this course. Thank you.